Hey boys, and welcome to today's video where we're going to look at linear equations and how they work. So, some information we've got up there already. We have our inputs, so we're looking at functions, starting off function rules from the previous lesson. We've got our inputs and we have our outputs. So we put them into the machine and they come out the other side. We have our rule for our machine, so it's times 2 plus 1. Okay, and it's important to know that our inputs are actually going to be what is x on the graph, okay, our x values, and our outputs are going to be y. So basically what we're saying is when x equals something, okay, y, what does y equal? Okay, and for those that are really switched on, what this would look like as an equation is it would look like y equals 2x plus 1. Okay, but we'll start off like that and you'll see that this is actually the same thing. So let's start off. So we put in x0 in, so we times it by 2. So 0 times 2 is 0, plus 1 is 1. Next, 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Next, 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Next, 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. And 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So there we go. We've done our function rule stuff from the previous lesson. We've put it all into the graph, all nice and easy. But now what we have to do is we have to put it, okay, onto our graph. So what we do is we take these guys and we take these guys and they become coordinates. Okay, so if we wrote them down, we would have 0, 1, 1, 3, 2, 5, 3, 7, and 4, 9. Those would be the coordinates that we put on the graph. And so now we will have a crack at putting them on. So we look at the first one, 0, 1. Really important we go the right way. So we always go across and then we go up. So that 0, 1 is saying you go across 0, so we're going to stick on the line, and you go up 1. Okay, easy as. The next one, 1, 3, says you go across 1 and you go up 3. Cool. Next one, 2, 5, we go across 2 and we go up 5. And remember, these numbers are coming directly from our function machine. They're not just some random numbers that I've conjured. Okay, they are coming directly from there. So we see the 2 and the 5, the 1 and the 3, the 0 and the 1. Okay, next one, 3 and 7. Okay, and lastly, 4 and 9. Okay, then what we do, we get our ruler. We connect them, we make a straight line, and there we go. We have drawn the line for our function times 2 plus 1. Okay, now some of you will be wondering why there is the y equals 2x plus 1, but what I was saying with that is another way. That is a fancy thing called a linear equation. And all that's saying is we go 2 times x, okay, which is what we did here, and then we add 1, and whatever comes out of that is going to be y. Okay, so that is how linear equations work. And sometimes instead of giving you the machine, you may be given an equation like that. So boys, go give it a go, and then message me if you have any problems, and we can sort them out, and we can draw some awesome linear equations. Thanks for watching.